To do Romi's Picot bind off, start with the stretchy bind off or Russian bind off. That's 2 stitches worked, and then I'm going to slide those back onto my left needle and work them together. This Picot bind off is centered. So I'm going to do a Picot now. I'm going to work multiple stitches into this one origin stitch right here on my left needle. So I've worked 1 stitch. Now I'm going to slip those 2 stitches back onto my left needle and knit those 2 together through the back loop. I'm keeping this stitch on my left needle. Now I'm going to knit another stitch into the same stitch, slip those 2 stitches back onto my left needle, and knit those 2 together through the back loop. And 1 more stitch through that stitch on my left needle, and now I can slide it off. Now I'm going to slip those back on and knit 2 together through the back loop. Now I'm going to work 3 more stitches in between my picots. These are all with the stretchy bind off, so I'm working these through the back loop. This is my next picot. So 1 stitch and then 2 together through the back loop, 2 stitches knit, slip them back onto my left needle and knit 2 through the back loop together. And then my 3rd stitch, and my origin stitch comes off of my left needle. I'm going to slip those 2 back onto my left needle and knit them together through the back loop. This creates a centered picot. So when it's blocked, you can actually accentuate it by pinning the picots out to give more of an exaggerated effect.